The flavor of the season is pumpkin. Banana pumpkin bread is a great, easy way to get that pumpkin spice flavor without a ton of work. I'm gonna be using this pie pumpkin that I found in the grocery store, and I'm gonna show you how to prep it. For this recipe, it's really easy, but you can totally use canned pumpkin and feel just as good about it, and it won't take as much work. The bonus if you use the pumpkin is that you get pumpkin seeds that you can roast afterward. So let's get started. First, start by cutting the pumpkin in half from top to bottom, not side to side. Then scrape out the seeds and the stringy parts, and if you want to use the seeds later to roast, put them in a bath of water and then let the stringy parts sink to the bottom, and then you can pull the seeds pretty easily off the top and rinse them and dry them for your pumpkin snack. If you're roasting the pumpkin, put it cut side down in a baking dish. If you're using a baking dish, you can even fill it a little bit with water and then put it in the oven at anywhere from 300 to 400 degrees for about an hour until the skin is soft. To make our quick bread, in a large bowl, we'll stir together banana, which I've mashed using a potato masher, eggs, oil, your pureed pumpkin, honey, and sugar. Then combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, pie spice, and cinnamon into that mixture and stir it until it's combined. If you're using raisins or walnuts, add them now. If not, you could leave them out, or you could use mini chocolate chips, which I'm using today. Pour your batter into your prepared bread pan and put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the loaf comes out clean. Cool the loaf in the pan for about 10 minutes before moving it to a wire rack to cool completely. All right, it's taste test time. I'm pretty excited about this bread. It's really moist and good. I will say, if you like pumpkin pie spice, this has a ton of flavor. If you are not the biggest fan, maybe take that ingredient down a notch, but it's a really delicious way to enjoy the flavors of fall, like pumpkin and those ripe bananas, and you'll have yourself a yummy breakfast treat or a snack.